He's going to tell us about Max Life, in fact, why Max Financial is under some pressure today. Varinder.
You know, Nigel, we all are waiting for what happens with that Max Life and HDFC merger. And, there are reports suggesting that there could be an alternative structure which would come in. And if that comes in, it could be good, for Max Life. But an interesting news article which is in the papers today suggests that Axis Bank actually is in talks with Tata AIA Life Insurance to sell products. Now, why is, Axis Bank and Tata AIA important? Remember, as a financial institute, as a life insurance, you actually sell your products via a different entity, via a bank. And in this case, Axis Bank accounts for nearly 60% of Max Life sales. Axis Bank currently sells insurance policies of only Max Life and LIC. 60% of that exposure is via Axis Bank. If that goes away, that is not a good news. And that could also mean that another roadblock for HDFC Life and Max Life merger. There are too much problems which are coming day by day for Max Life and HDFC merger. We all are waiting that what could be the stance of ADA on this. But if Axis Bank goes away, and I was reading one of the statements from Axis Bank, they said they are in an authority to have a third partner as well. Whether that means that the entire 60% goes away or that 60% gets reduced to 50%, 40%, 30%, that will certainly have an impact on the numbers of the company, financials of the company, and of course what happens in the merger, the next thing. But that's not a good news for Max Life at the moment. And of course we are hearing about some of the blocks which could happen in Max Life. That is one thing which you have to watch out for.
Okay, uncertainty lies ahead of